So it all packs neatly back into the case, and it's very lightweight. Wouldn't take up a whole lot of space if you needed to carry it in your backpack. And there it is. It's so easy a caveman can do it. Speaking of caveman, I think I'll put it in the kitchen and show my wife how to use it. So today I thought I would do a review of the Eze Lap diamond stones. I think most of you know that I'm a big fan of Eze Lap diamond products, and really the things that I've used are the flat stone. This is a 2x8 diamond stone, and I've also used the smaller pocket stones that I put in my backpack whenever I go hunting. For those that have a hard time using the stone, the flat stone, maybe this will help you out. And this kit includes a knife clamp, angle guides, guide rods, and a roll pouch, and 3 diamond sharpening stones in 3 different grits. It's a super fine, a fine, and a medium. So let's get into it. Try it out. Okay, comes in this pouch so it stays all together. Okay, that feels really coarse. That must be the what was it, a medium. There's your medium stone. Oh, it says right there. There's the fine, and there's a super fine. And you can really feel the difference between the 3 of them. So here's the clamp. Put your blade in there and clamp it down. Those must be the guides. 2 guides and 3 rods. Now the rods, they're threaded on the end. And that must be where you screw those rods in there. Now, depending on how bad a shape your knife is in, I guess if it's in really bad shape, you start out with the medium and work your way up to the super fine. I don't know, let's try it out. I think I'll just try it out on my personal knife, this one here. Okay, I'm gonna follow the instructions here. First thing, okay, these 2 pieces are the same, so I don't guess it matters which one I use. So I'm gonna unscrew this, the end. Put that on there like so. Screw it back together. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. And on the back right here, you can't see it, but it says angle, and it gives 15, 20, and 25 degree angles. So depending on which slot you put your rod in is the angle that it's going to sharpen. This will be interesting because I've never used one of these, and I don't know what angle I use on my knives because I just hand hold them and sharpen them that way. Okay, I'm going to open this wide enough for my blade to fit in. And the jaws, they look kind of smooth, but they're metallic, and since I don't want to mar or scratch my blade here, it's a polished blade, I'm just going to put a piece of tape over it. Without covering the sharpening edge. And that'll help protect the knife. So this, I'm going to put my knife in there and then clamp down on it. It probably doesn't need to be really tight, but that's what we got so far. Okay. Now, the next thing is to choose the stone that I'm going to use. And since the knife isn't all that dull, I'm just going to go with the super fine, which is 1200 grit. That is in the 15-degree slot. I messed up. You're supposed to put both guides on here at once. Okay, and they are slightly different. And here's the difference. If you can see, this one is cut out on one side, and this one is cut out on the opposite side so that they overlap. See there? Okay, and now okay, now I got it. See, and it's right there, first step in the instructions. But I'm like every other man, we don't read instructions. Okay. That looks like it's at about the right angle. Alright, do one side, flip it over and do the other. I'm not sure how to hold this, it's kind of awkward, but just take some practice, I guess. And be sure you keep your fingers on this part of it. See, it kind of has a guard to keep your fingers from slipping down below it, and then when you come across it, you won't cut the tip of your finger off. So just keep your fingers up here. Hey, that feels pretty good. Let me do this other side. See if I can do it left-handed. And I always like to go from the edge up towards the top of the knife, as opposed to coming down across it this way. Okay. Yep, that works pretty good. It's easy to use. It comes in a nice case that you can keep everything together. And you know, if you have a hard time sharpening on the flat stone, then this is the product for you. So if you want one, I carry a few specifically for my customers. If you need something, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, adios.